Good morning. Good morning.
Ever feel like you might be being watched by a lot of birds?
Ask him to make it strong.
Today's breakfast, we got our coffee, pineapple juice, coconut sambal, potato vegetable curry, fly, and some noodles. It's gonna be a good day. Good morning.
Good morning.
It feels like afternoon. Hi, Dad.
So this is the view right now. It's not up yet, but there's a boat right there. It's gonna put a big giant sail out soon, and we're gonna go on a little boat tour today.
Come be part of our vlog, Linda. I think that you look authentic. Up close and personal morning with Linda.
So tired.
I find in the mornings the wind is really calm. The sun starts to kind of burn off the clouds, and it really starts picking up in the afternoon. You get like the big waves and the big wind. Like yesterday when we jumped in the water.
That's a little nerve-wracking for me. I think I like this. I mean, we didn't walk down there yet, but I think I like this calm. Those waves were getting big.
They were totally manageable.
Yeah, but the undercurrent. He warned us about the undercurrent. I mean, and then he'd say it would be okay, but you know, you have to be careful.
I enjoyed jumping around in the waves.
Yes, you did. You sure did.
Let's have a look at that.
Fucking big one, man. Look at
Then what are we doing this morning? This morning finds us having some tea and coffee, watching over the calm ocean and the beach starting to slowly wake up. Those folks in the shack over there, are they just fishermen? What do they do?
They're fishermen, and they man the beach, I believe. Like they clean it. I'm guessing, but I'm thinking they probably clean it, collect the fish, and then sell it to people maybe on in the restaurants along the beachfront.
This morning we are heading out on a catamaran for a 2-ish hour tour of the water. Apparently we're going to go to a lagoon. We're going to hit up.
2-hour tour.
This has the start of a series. So the guy who's actually showing us around is Mohammed, and he is, I don't know, he's a very peaceful character who walks very slowly, smiles really big, and is looking forward to showing us around. I'm looking forward to seeing how this all pans out.
And he's going to put a line out and fish for us, or get some prawns.
Well, yeah,
or something.
we're gonna go. He said we're gonna get some prawns, but I think we're gonna have a line out, and if the line catches something, maybe we get to catch our own dinner. Maybe,
yeah. Lunch. More lunch.
Cut to pulling in a fish.
Holy, look at his teeth.
Today's adventure, we're going on a, what is that, a catamaran? For a 2-hour tour, It should be fun.
I am a little nervous.
So am I.
Right, going on this today. It's really small, narrow, and those waves are kind of big. I'm kind of nervous. Oh my gosh. That's okay. I'm gonna be okay. This is what people have been doing for many, 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 many years.
For some reason I thought it was a lot wider. Will my ass fit in there? Oh my god, we're gonna be sitting on a ledge like this for 2 hours. Oh no! We're gonna be okay, right? Yes, yes, safe, safe. Should be fun. Woo! Woohoo!
Wow, that's not so bad.
How we feeling?
Okay, so far. So far.
Pretty spectacular.
Need some more wind.
Yeah.
Said by 10 o'clock we're going to get a little bit more wind.
It's almost
Yeah.
too calm. Too calm.
More wind coming.
So yeah, I'm going to man the oars.
Woohoo! Cheers from the Indian Ocean in Sri Lanka. Woohoo! It's kind of nice out here. It's a little hot, right? Surviving. Where'd he go? There he is.
How is it? Is there current?
Oh, it's so warm.
Okay.
Linda, you're next.
Yeah, I'm Catamaran. Yes. What is small shot? Not big shot, small shot. No delay.
How's it feel, guys?
Really beautiful.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Oh, see, I knew I would be the first one to fall.
Nice. Sweet. Nice jump. An 8 out of a 10.
Why can't I take this off?
Yay! High five! Is it a stuti or a stute?
Bahoma astuti. Bahoma.
What is it? A sunken, oh, a sunken South African ship. Okay, bye. This is our wonderful boatman, Mohammed. Thank you for a wonderful time, Mohammed.
Okay,
Thank you so much. How do you say it, guys?
Bahoma astuti.
Thank you. It's 9 o'clock time. Ow. Urge. You know what's kind of cool? Even in Sri Lanka, I'm finding dollar bills, baby, dollar bills. Thanks, universe.